guys, welcome to Generation Rebel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how approvals work on Asana. So you want to make a task, send it to someone for approving, and then send it to another section for approved. I'll show you how you do it. So let's first make a task. Let's say task 1, and then let's assign that to myself. I need to do that. And then let's add another section. This one for the approval. So like this is where the tasks go after someone has completed it. A supervisor would see it, and then they would need to approve it. So here, what I'll do here now is add some kind of rule. And how do you add the rule? Okay, I hope you've seen the other videos, but what you need to do is head over to customize and click to add on rules. And then let's just don't mind all the recommended and preset here. Just add to custom rules, and then we need to add a trigger or what should happen for an action to occur. Alright, so let's say the task or subtask completed. Yeah, his mark is complete. Now the action is we need to click on add action on the bottom part here. And just click on move to section. Let's move it to approval. And what it should do is that once someone finishes their task, once they complete the task, it should head over to approval. And now let's set the assignee to someone else. Let's say me. I'm also gonna be the one approving that, so that's what's gonna happen here. So yeah, let's say we finish this task. If we click on complete, but that's not all. We need to complete the entire thing first. So let's now add another rule. What happens to the approved button? No, what happens to the task once it's finally approved? And this is after approval. So okay, I think I messed this one up. Let's start again. So what happens is that when the approval status is set, it says this is approved, it will now be set to the section which says approved, which you can do by just following what I'm doing here. I'm putting it to approver complete. It's really simple how rules work here on. If you see that there's like lightning bolts on the right side of the section titles, that means there's a rule set for that section. So let's see if it works. So I set it to complete, and what it should do is you can see it will be sent to the approval section. Easy, right? And now it automatically sets the assignee as me because it changed it to someone else. And then if you right click, you're the one who needs to approve it. You need to put as approved, and it will now be sent to approved or completed. And it's that simple. And now let's say you want to notify everyone else that you've approved it. So let's add another rule. Click on add rule and create custom rule. And let's say if the task is moved to the section which is approved or complete, we head over to external actions, because let's say we want to use Slack to, what if the company has Slack? What happens is that okay, I need to connect it, but here on Slack you can send a message to notify everyone. It could be in a channel that will tell your superiors or your boss. But that's it. That's how approvals work on Asana. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Rebel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.